Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1955 Ford Courier. It's been completely restored as of 2020. They did a 272 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, Tremec 5-speed transmission. And when you look at it, it's unbelievable. This will be great in front of someone's business. If you want to find out more information on this ride, click on the link below. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a complete walk around and test drive. If you want to see underside shots, click on the link below. It'll be a gallery of everything you'd ever want. Let's ride. So I'd rate this an 8.5 out of 10. Paint shows extremely nice. It's like a sky blue with a white accent throughout. All of your chrome has been replaced. Front grille looks good. It is original, so you're gonna have a little bit of pitting there. All your lights work. Engine bay is extremely detailed. There's your 272. Motor has been rebuilt and regasketed. You do have a 4-barrel carburetor. You have Red's headers. Wiring harness is very clean and tidy. You do have an aluminum radiator, and then there's your condenser for your air condition. It is a 12-volt system now, so originally it was a 6-volt, now it's 12 volts, and it runs extremely nice. You do have a chrome alternator and a hidden AC compressor down there. All of your wiring's nice, nothing's brittle. Your junctions are all nice. All of your terminals are nice for your battery. When you start it, well, when I started, I'm gonna pull this off so you can see that there's no blow-by in the engine. E-brake works as it should. I'm just gonna start it real quick and then we'll continue on with our exterior drive. It's in neutral. It's been sitting outside for, I would say, several hours. Give it one pump. So it'll idle high because there's a choke on it, and then it'll drop. Just a choke working. Whenever I see a 273, I always want to check for blow-by. So I'll pull this cap and see if there's any smoke coming from there, and there isn't. Remember, it's cold right now. Very healthy. You can see the radiator's very nice. Big overflow expansion area here, and then it'll run out if it needs to. Let me close the hood. All your bright work's nice. Front crest is nice, your Ford emblem's proper, and that is an original piece, it looks like. All your lights work, so when I turn the lights on, they're all gonna illuminate. I'm gonna shut it off and we'll continue on with our exterior walk around. Since you're on the passenger side, we'll go over that. Body lines are extremely straight. As you look down the side of it, you're gonna see that there's no waves. It does have American racing wheels on it. There's that V8 crest. And you can see the chrome is extremely nice. You see both of us in it right now. Let's open up the doors and show you all the door sills and the roof line. Look how nice the roof line is. No dents or dings. Paint is extremely nice. When you look at all of the doors, you're gonna see all new rubber throughout. They didn't paint over any of the hardware. Everything's working as it should. This is all metal. And the door panel looks good too. You have a Ford crested panel right here. And then the headliner is very nice. Seats are very comfortable and very clean. So all the interior is custom, but it looks period correct. Windows go up and down with ease. Doors close easy. And those wheels really set it off, that silver, gunmetal silver. Back opens up easily. It's heavy. And you've got tons of space. So this would be great if you do craft shows, if you want to carry milk or whatever. This is it. But it was done properly. It's very clean inside. You can see the original color of the car. There's a spare tire there, all the insulation. And there's another storage box up there as well. Door cards in here to protect it. Normally they wouldn't have door cards or like placement cards. You just see metal, so it's very clean. Got aftermarket speakers here as well. And the door looks good. Same quality as the passenger side door in regards to all the pinch welds and metal. All the rubber looks good. Got your little mechanism here to open it. And then when you close it, closes nicely. Reproduction Ford crest. Chrome bumper looks good. All your lights look nice, and all the rubber surrounds for the glass back here is extremely clean. A little bit of oxidation around the actual joints, but that's not a big deal. All your bright work looks really nice. Driver's side's the same as the passenger side. And you're gonna have your trim plaque right there, which you're gonna wanna probably look at right over here. It's gonna have your designation for the vehicle, VIN number. It's a nice one. This is really, really beautiful. So a little small imperfection right here. This will probably buff right out too, but it's like a water spot of rust. But you can see that they put all the gaskets in the right spot for the doors. Doesn't rattle, closes properly. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. Okay, so the interior is very comfortable. The seat's nice. You do have all your gauges. I'm seeing that the speedometer is showing 20 miles an hour. We're obviously not going 20 right now. Our light controls are here, and then it does have vintage air, so you could set this up and turn it on, and the air condition actually does work. So you can feel the motor slow down a little bit because the compressor's kicking on and the air is blowing through these vents. So we'll shut it off. Clutch, let's see how the clutch feels. So there's an emergency brake right here. We just pull that out. Oh, the clutch release is nice. So it's like right at the pinnacle point, right off the floor. And I'm not giving it any gas, I'm letting it do its work. Not bad. Temperature gauge is close to basically hot, which I don't believe is true.
I think that gauge is stuck.
Yeah, that gauge is definitely stuck. Let's see. Turn signals work, so the lights work on the turn signals. Yep, on both sides. And then the radio.
The margin between
It works. Perfect, it works. Let's test this thing out. We're in second gear right now, taking a corner, very easy. We're gonna go over some bumps right now. Let's see if there's any noises. Smooth over the bumps. After we pass these cars, I'll test the brakes out. We're going into third. We'll see how the brakes feel. It stops even and straight. We're in fourth gear now. Feels good. I mean, it's nice to have a fifth gear because you can actually cruise on the highway. You can take this to events, or if you want to keep this for home use, you put some seats back there for the kids. This will be fun. Or fill it with speakers if you like subwoofers, or ice cream if you like ice cream. Or if you want to put free candy on the side, this will work great for giving free candy to people, not children. So I was watching YouTube, and there's this guy named Whistling Diesel that he buys like people's cars and just destroys them and films it. And he's famous from this. It's crazy.
It's crazy what people get paid for.
All right, we just shifted into second. I'm doing partial throttle. We're in third gear now. Fourth. And now we're in fifth. I feel like we're going, I would say 45 miles per hour right now, very comfortably. Steering's not all over the place. Brakes feel good, so you can actually push the brakes at speed and it's starting to slow down. It's a really nice piece. I'm gonna turn it in here and we'll get some outside shots. If you guys have any questions about transporting or financing this specific ride or any of our inventory, go to our website at bulletmotorsports.com. You're going to click on the top where it says transport or financing, and you'll be able to get some options there. We ship worldwide. Give us your port of entry or your zip code, and we'll get you a quote as well. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Let's get some outside shots. Enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. I forgot to show you guys that the wipers work too. So, there you go. Make a good decision. Buy this Courier.